Hey everyone, Tyler over at TraDove. Today we're going to be going over how to create and join group discussions. So this is very straightforward. There's two different types of group discussions that we will dive into. One is the private group discussions, and then there's also public group discussions. So I'm going to walk you through that. If you have any further questions, you can always go to tradove.com/resources, where we're constantly posting new videos, new content, and updating our community. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come up here to group discussions, click there. Once you click on group discussions, you're going to see some different options. You're going to see any of the group discussions that you're already a part of, and you can bring up more. You can see that I've created some here, and then as you scroll down, it's also going to recommend group discussions for you to join. So this is very simple, very straightforward. At the top here, you can start a group discussion. So if I click into starting a group discussion, it's going to give you a few different options. So it's going to ask for your title, and then it's going to ask if you would like to make this a public or private group discussion, and then actually to insert a description, any guidelines you would like that discussion to abide by, and then you need to accept our terms of use. Once you've done those things, you can go ahead and hit create, and that will create either your public or private group discussion. So the first one that we go into detail on is our private group discussions. So you can come down here, you'll see recommended group discussions. Now you will click join. Once you hit join, it'll actually pull up your request to join this group discussion was sent and is awaiting approval. So that's what you're going to see when you're trying to join a private group discussion. If you are joining a public one, it will allow you to jump right in. Now, moving back to the main screen here, we're going to go ahead and click on a public group discussion. Once you hit join, you're going to be able to see group discussion joined successfully. Once you join a public group discussion, you don't have to wait for approval from that admin. It's actually going to come up and show your group discussions right here. You can click into it, and you can go ahead and start contributing to that, posting different comments. Make sure that you read the description and any guidelines that you need to follow with inside that public group discussion here. Now, let's say you've gone and you've created a group discussion of your own. So I'm going to go down to one of the ones that I've created. I'm going to click into it, and you're going to see an admin panel. So there's going to give you some different options that you won't typically see unless you created that actual group discussion. You're going to see the different members that have sent a request to join. If you have a private group discussion, if it's a public one that you created, they will be shown as part of the members here under this group. So you can see everybody that is a part of your existing group discussion. You can go here and see any flag comments. You can look at invitations. So let's say you want to directly invite a couple users. You can do so by putting their names in here, and they'll pull up and just go ahead and add them and then send a invitation. You can go to change owners. So currently this feature is disabled. If you want to hand over or change ownership of that group discussion, what we need you to do currently is go email customer.service@tradove.com, and just let us know that you would like to hand over ownership of that group discussion. Now, as an admin, you also have the ability to delete the group. You just have to click here, yes, I want to delete this group, and that is going to go ahead and completely remove that group discussion from the network. Now, that's not going to be reversible, so when you make that decision, please keep in mind that there's no going back from that. But you do have a lot of different accessibility when you own the group discussion. So you have all these different options. Again, you can come down here. You can see all the different members that are a part of that. And again, you can add comments and you can continue to contribute to that discussion along with the other members. Now, could go ahead and go back to group discussions. Now, again, it's very straightforward. Again, we will continue to put out additional videos and resources. If you have any questions, please go to tradove.com/resources. We will continue to update that, add additional content, videos, blogs. We want to make sure that our community is informed as possible. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to continuing to make these and work with you.